Everyone, today I'm going to show you a very simple method to cook Sakkarai Pongal. This is a kind of sweet rice that is served for the Pongal Festival. If you do not have the time or the space to cook the rice in a clay pot outdoors, this is the best method to get perfectly cooked rice every time that you can enjoy at home. So stay with me until the end. First, wash rice. I'm taking about 2 1/4 cups. This portion is enough for 5 to 6 people. You can reduce the amount if you want less. Then add about half a cup of green mung dhall that has been soaked and washed. Normally I soak this overnight, but about 1 to 2 hours should be enough. I'm using the type of mung dal that is already roasted and peeled. So if you don't have roasted peeled mung dal, you can buy green mung dal and roast it. Now add 4 cups of water. So whichever cup you use for the rice, use the same cup to measure water and add 4 cups of water. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Use a rice cooker like this, you don't have any problems of overcooking or undercooking. The rice will be perfect each time. However, if you don't have a rice cooker, you can also do this on your stove top, just that you have to be very careful not to burn the rice. Now we will cover the pot and leave it to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we will prepare all the other ingredients that go into the rice. First, pour about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into a small pan. Add about 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts. You can add more according to your own preference. Once they are slightly brown, we can add about 2 tablespoons of raisins and fry them together. And also add 6 pieces of cardamons which have been crushed. This will give you an extra aromatic rice. Fry until the raisins are puffed up. And now we will set aside the raisins and cashew nuts. In the same pan, add about half a cup of water. And 2 cups of brown sugar. I'm using raw brown sugar here, which may contain impurities. So I will boil the brown sugar first and strain the water to make sure to remove any impurities. But if you're using clean brown sugar that you are sure don't contain impurities, you can skip this step. Let the brown sugar dissolve. Strain the brown sugar. Meanwhile, check on the rice. The rice should be cooked in about half an hour. Once the water has evaporated, the rice is soft and nice. And now we can add the brown sugar. Also the raisins and cashew nuts. We'll add some milk here. I'm using 1 cup of non-dairy milk. This will give the nice creaminess to the rice. A good mix so that the cashew nuts, raisins and milk are well mixed with the rice. Now cover and cook for another 5 minutes. So that all the ingredients are well absorbed and the rice becomes aromatic. After another 5 to 10 minutes, the rice is ready. Look at how beautiful it is. Rice is perfectly cooked. It's not too soft and soggy. Now you can serve the rice to your friends and family. Enjoy the well-cooked rice with some chickpeas. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.